This scene is called Elephant on the Couch. What I'm doing is I'm setting up a free photo shoot. A couple of people will come through. What they're not gonna understand is they gotta share their seat with Little P.
Yo, who you calling little? And it's Big P, by the way, alright? Yeah, and my man Ty, he gonna come through and do his thing. You feel me? Yo, who you calling the elephant, man?
The shoe fit weird, Black.
It do fit.
Yo, it does. Oh, yo, it does fit.
I just bought him yesterday.
Yo, get to the prank, man. Yo. Hey, how you doing? Good for your photo shoot?
Yeah.
Name all that on file already?
No. I have to fill stuff out.
Alright, fill this out. Have a seat when you finish, get right back to me, Black. Look out, all right. Hey, the photo shoot?
Yeah, what's going on? How you doing?
Hey, how you doing? Paperwork on file?
Yeah, it's already 5 hours.
All right, have a seat. Find a seat. All right?
My fault, I'm sorry. What's up, brother? Ooh, I'm sorry about
Yeah, it's alright. It's okay.
Yo.
Yo, gotta sit right here.
What the fuck, my nigga? What, you the king?
Huh?
You the fucking king, son?
Tell me to sit down, man.
Nigga, let's see, the fuck.
Where?
Over there. You stand up. You on the edge, right?
Nah, I gotta sit down. I'm tired, man. Hey, you need some help? You shit? You need some help?
No, I'm fine.
You sure?
I'm good.
You sure? Cause you look like you kind of stuck a little bit.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yes, I'm good, sweetheart. Thank you.
I'm not alone comfortable with shit.
Relax, bro.
My birthday? You wanna talk to me about my birthday? My birthday? Smell it?
It's okay.
It's good?
I think you need a gum, but it's alright.
Is gum ain't working?
Not really.
Hungry in a motherfucker. I got a snack, right?
Snack, motherfucker?
You want some?
No, my nigga. You eat at the whole Chinese food store?
Yeah, it's a sauce snack.
Sauce snack?
Yeah, like in the pocket snack. You don't mind if I get comfortable, do you?
As long as you don't get on top of me, but.
Nah, never. I would never do something.
Excuse me.
Butterball ass nigga.
Excuse me.
My bad. I apologize. Let me do. What should we eat over here?
Dude, I'm trying to read.
I apologize. I thought you was hot. You not hot?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Look a little sweaty.
No, please don't touch me.
I apologize. Did I
It's
touch you?
alright. No, it's alright, it's alright.
Sorry.
Nah, Gordon. You know what? I just got out of the gym. I'm gonna review that. Yeah. Oh, we can always put that together. No, we can always put that together. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. No, I'm just here working it out, man. Yeah, it's just a little weak. I'm gonna review that later when I get back. Yeah. No, I'm gonna review all that. Get in there. No, I really need to crack those documents open and get into that. Yeah. I don't know. I've been here for a while. I don't know. I can't review that yet. No, I'm gonna review that. Yeah. What the fuck is that smell, yo? Take a look at that. They're really in sync with my teeth until like I really wanted to. But,
Smell that shit, big pun?
still won't do that.
That was you?
No. I'm tight. I'm telling you, I'm tight. After doing that, I'm tight. So what's going on? We're gonna go over those things together. Yo, we can do it. Hey,
The fuck?
what's going on, buddy? We both kind of looked at it, and we both said, like, you know,
Excuse me,
we
sir.
said, oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
We both looked at it. You know, it's been a while. It's been a while.
What is wrong with people?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Can you get your ass out of my girl's face, please? Sorry.
Excuse me?
I mean, my friend, my homegirl.
Four.
Yo, can you get your ass on my face? Like, what's the deal?
Sorry, excuse me.
Get your ass out of my girl's face.
I ain't your girl. You need to relax. Like, who are you?
What's wrong with you? You wanna read?
I know who you are.
This fucking guy. You okay? Something wrong with you?
You left your tank top at my house and your toothbrush, and you can act like this, Victor?
Okay, so how many times I gotta ask you if you can specifically just move over? Like, why is it that you have to be on top of me?
No, I thought you liked me.
No, did I give you any instinct that I like you? I'm trying to fill out my resume.
What is your problem?
You sit next to me, just let me.
What's your deal? Like, your ass is all up in my face and you're here at a fucking walker away from blowing up.
What the fuck?
You just gonna leave like that? Broken home?
Victor. It says Victor on
We
your
shared so
box.
many movies together, Victor.
Yo,
Max,
You got first you bend down in front of me.
what's that?
Then you better put your ass in my
I'm
face.
sorry, hold on. What's that? I guess I'm talking.
Yo, listen,
Alright, hold on.
listen.
Hey, what's
I
going
don't
on?
know if you come in here, prep your ass boy or nothing like that. You put your ass in my face. So you,
I don't understand what you're saying.
You got something with me? What's up with you?
We are sorry to interrupt your special program, a Hood Prank Show. This is Fatro coming to you live from Hood Prank News. As you can see, we have special results that Bigfoot has been spotted in the streets with big old man diaper. Roll to footage.
Come on, this lady. Put that back and get out of here. Come on. Get out of here.
Dude. Listen.
Yo, come on, you gotta get
Hey, yo, my man.
As you can see, this Bigfoot inside store is still in a bag of chips. You hurry up and buy, hurry up and buy.
over here. Oh, you gotta pay for that. Oh, you gotta pay for that. Yo, you gotta pay for that. Hey, you gotta pay for that.
Oh, wait a minute. We have update news on Bigfoot. It is not Bigfoot. It is Richard Jamal from off the street wearing a diaper.
Hey, yo. Yo, why that nigga just bombed out keys? Yeah, he did.
This has been Fat Hole coming to you live from Hood Prank News. Back to you, a Hood Prank Show.
You're the hidden camera show, Cole. One.